Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use maps offline in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open App Store. Now in App Store, search Google Maps and then download this Google Maps app and click on open. Now here click on your profile icon and then click on offline maps. Then click on select your own map, and after that select a map, and after selecting click on download. So after the completion of this download, you can use this map when you are offline. So that's how you can use maps offline in iOS 17. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.